How to change the shape of your webcam in OBS Studio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how we can change the shape of our webcam in OBS Studio. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, right here, you can actually see our webcam is rectangular, but we want to change this to a circle, right? So to change it to a circle, what we need to do is, first of all, you need to download a circle transparent. So make sure if it is a circle, make sure it is a black circle and the background is transparent like this. Right click it and then click on save image as, and then save the image to your computer. Now open up OBS Studio. In the sources tab, select your particular capture webcam, right click on it, and then just go to the filters tab, or you can also click on filters from here. And as you have done that, at the bottom you'll find the plus button. Click on the plus option here, select image, mask and blend. After you do that, we're simply going to name this. So let's say I'll just name it circle. I'll click the OK option, and here under the path tab you can see browse. So under browse, just make sure you select the circle transparent PNG that we saved from Google earlier. Once you select that, here under the type, it is set to color channel. So here we want to set this to alpha channel over here. After we have done that, now we can just click the close option and our webcam will get completely turned to a circle. Depending upon whichever shape, you can change it to any shape you like. So this way you'll be able to change the shape of your webcam into a circle on OBS. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.